I will show you exactly how this design was created. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nia Moda, and here we try to demystify those complicated design, PC created design with our smartphone. This design was created originally by Okpetu Samuel. Okpetu Samuel. His Instagram handle is creative underscore blaiz. Blaiz. You can follow him and check him out. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing we want to do is to get a plain background, alright, which is gonna be the startup from scratch from this canvas. The next thing we want to do is to get some of our images that we're going to be using. Alright, so first and foremost, I'm going to get the background that we're going to be using. So I have the background here. I'm going to bring in this background. So here you go. This is the background we're going to be using. I'm going to stretch it out. I don't like the background though because it's dull. So I'm just going to maybe enhance it a little. So first I'm going to come here. All right, so that I bring it alive. All right, it's too dull for me. All right, so at the base of this background here, we're going to put a shadow, all right, that will cover that bottom part. So we're going to create the shadow by ourselves by coming here. Okay, so let's just, all right, so to save the time, I'm going to do this sticker. I'm going to come here and I'm going to click here and bring it to the middle like this. Then I will just bring it here. All right, so I will just make sure it's at the middle, and then all I do is to copy and bring it to the middle, copy again and bring it to the middle. So I'll copy as much as I want there. Are you seeing that now? Then I'll bring them to the middle, touch, bring to the middle, touch, bring to the middle, just like that. So when I'm done, I'm going to just try to merge all of them, all these guys together. All right, so click on this middle one here and you're going to mesh all, confirm and mesh all together. Once you mesh all together, you're going to have something like this. Then come here and change color to black, or the color that you want to put at the base there. So I want to put this color here. The color is still going to be there, so we'll just put it across like this. But it's not giving me what I want, so let me get the, so instead we're going to use this guy. All right, so just come here, let's select something like that. All right, then copy, copy, copy. All right, so come here, we'll bring in the image we're going to be using, which is this pastor's image here, who he happened to be the general overseer of Foursquare Church. All right, so we're going to bring it there, going to send it to the back, and then we'll send this guy to the back too. So it's going to happen to be, it's going to come out like this. All right, so we have this. I think I'm not done with this one. All right, so this logo, all right, so we can put it there. Okay, all right, the black is not, it's not bad because it's showing. So what we'll do now is this, we'll come here like this, we'll centralize it, and then we'll bring in this shape and fix it where we have the square. All right, so that that part will come out very well. So we just bring this to the front like this, and we have that. All right, so remember that it's going to be a 64. All right, so we will have to bring this down a little more. Sorry, 65 rather. So this is it. Okay, so this is the 65 here. All right, so we would tweak it a little by coming here, and you come here and do this. Okay, increase the brightness just a little. Now the color of the 65 will blend with the color of the background, so that means we have to adjust it. All right, make sure that it blends. All right, so do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because when you come to my YouTube channel right here, you're going to see a lot of tutorials free that can help you become better. All right, these trainings, these tutorials are a masterclass on them by themselves. So if you are serious about learning, then subscribe, turn on the notification, make sure you follow all the tutorials. All right, go to the my YouTube channel, check the courses. There's a menu called courses. Check that menu. You're gonna see some very cool courses that's gonna be of help to you. All right. So it's for your own advantage. All right. You're not paying any money. Just get data and learn. All right. So that's it. So I'm gonna put this one here like this. All right. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna bring in these. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna put one here at the base at this part here like this. I'll send it, I'll still increase it. All right, so I'll put it there like that. I'll send it to the back. Remember to also send this one to the back so that you can see what you're done doing there. So I can bring it here like this. I can copy it. All right, so I've copied it, try 1 2. So I'll copy it like this, and then I'll bring it to the front. It's not visible. All right, so let's quickly ensure that we have saved this birthday design, because I'm experiencing some malfunctioning. So I've saved the birthday design. So if it's not going to work that way, let's bring it in again. All right, let's do it like this, and let's bring this one here. Let's drag it here like this. Okay. All right, so let's send it to the back, and let's send this one to the back, which is this particular design here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This one to the back. So this is what we're going to have now. All right, so let's bring in this what's it called, pillar, the white pillar. Okay, so this white pillar, we're gonna put it here. Every time you like our video, you are encouraging someone to watch the video. All right, every time you like the video, you are encouraging someone to watch the video, because YouTube is going to recommend the video to more persons. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna put this one here. All right, so if you check the original design, you're gonna see there there's a flag. I think that's the church flag. They put it there. All right, so the flag is going to be, it's going to go to the back. Then this guy, which is, I mean, this what is it, this one is going to go to the back. Then this is going to go to the back, so that you have something like that, right? Then at the back also we have a shape, a kind of a golden shell something. So but is it, we will come here and remove the background. All right, so if you want to learn how I actually get my images, how I get all these elements and all that, then you need to register for, let me copy this one also and put it here. All right, put it there. If you want to learn how, then you need to register for my church flyer design course. Now that course is going to teach you how you can actually get all these kind of resources by yourself, for yourself. Okay, so I'm putting that there. So we're gonna have something like this, right? Now without stress, it's gonna teach you how you can get these resources. Now the course is already prepared. It has about 14 models, 12 models already for you. So once you register now, you're going to start learning immediately. All right, so what are you waiting for? So click, there's a link, there's going to be a link in the comments. All right, the link in the description. click on that link and it's going to take you to my DM, and you're going to pay for that course. Or alternatively, you can also just click the link in the description and make payment for that course. It's very, very rich, very, very rich. So the name of this pastor is Reverend Dr. Sam Aboyeji. So I'm going to type the name right now. So just go Reverend. What am I typing? Reverend Dr. Sam Abo Aboyeji. So that's the name. So I'm going to get this font. We're going to be using this particular font here called document. You can use Troja. You can use Troja. It's also the same thing. So we'll put it there. So I think you're going to write General Overseer Foursquare Church, Nigeria. So I'm going to centralize this, put it there, centralize it. And I'm going to come here and get a small font like this. And just write General Overseer Foursquare Church, Nigeria. All right, change the white. All right, reduce it. Still reduce it. Okay, so we can leave it like that. Then we can come here. Don't forget to like the video and share it with a friend. You know, design is all about you thinking. Most of the time, before I create a design, I think about everything I want to do. And design is not just painting colors here and there. Design is about functionality. Design is about you giving function to things, not just you creating things. Why are you creating them? Are they functional? Are they actually working? All right. So if you look at this design now, it looks great, right? But we can make it even more better. All right. So, but the first thing you want to do is to ensure that your design is saved. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to save this design as Ultra. Ensure that you always save your design. My name is Niyamuda. Like this video and tell me where you're watching from. Tell me what you learned in this design. And if you want to learn how to get any kind of resources, please do it to buy my church flyer designs course. If you want to get the course, please click the link in the description and send me a DM right now. So after you're done, you just want to go over to Snapseed. Snapseed is a free app from Google. So you can go to Snapseed and just you can get it on your Play Store. Snapseed, very, very easy, simple app, smooth app that you can use to edit your photos. So when it comes to Snapseed like this, the first thing you want to click is pop. Look at what will happen now. You see that, you see what happened. If you hold it, you will see the before. If you leave it, you see the after. You see that it popped up actually. Then you can come over here, you can click on detail and then make it a little bit sharp. So look at it. Look at the before and look at the after. You can see how cool it is right now. So you can don't do too much edit, because too much edit is going to spoil your work. So I can save it like this. Click on save. You are good to go. My name is Niyi Amuda. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is our first day of our design challenge in the year 2026. If you are watching this from any year, cool, you are enjoying and is still very relevant. So let's go on to the next one. Do it to save this video, do it to like this video, do it to share it to a friend, and tell somebody about this channel and subscribe. Thank you for watching to the end. I will see you in the next one.